right, well, hello everyone. It is Friday, November 5th, and Grace and I are on our way for another adventure. This one might be just a little different than ones in the past because we're heading out to meet up with Ultra and whoever else shows up to do a little base camp day hike weekend. And I don't know, but I'm looking forward to it. And it was quite chilly when we woke up this morning, frost all over the car. A little different today is we're going to take the camper, and since we're base camping and have the car right there, it's like, why not? And so we'll have the camper and then we'll day hike, and I'm looking forward to a lot of fun. So welcome to Four Pines Hostel. Look at that view. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? Good morning, everybody. It is quite chilly, actually. It's according to Dark Sky, it's 30 degrees. Frost is everywhere. The Taj Mahal is sparkly, as you can probably see from all the frost on it. I mean, I'm out in the breezeway right now. Grace is getting up and ready. The plan for the day is to head out and do McAfee Knob. As by my count, at least 15 people showed up for this gathering, so it's a good crowd, and looks to be a good time. Got water on for the coffee. Gonna have some leftover pizza for breakfast, and on with the day. And here is the morning respite: hot chocolate, coffee, and leftover Hunt Brothers pizza. Yum. So Tanya and I are taking the tail in. We decided to cut off and just take a look at the shelter because she'd never seen one before. And some knucklehead left a fire going. So we knocked it down as much as we can, so it's not just smoldering at this point, but just a prime example of how not to properly camp. But here's the shelter. It's a pretty nice shelter. Looks reasonably clean. Privy's just right off in the distance over there. You can probably see the tin roof over there. So just a little short walk. Nice area. Looks like there's a couple of places to put tents around here, but not many. All right, back to the trail. So this has got to be one of the busiest pieces of trail I've ever been on. There are just scads of people, young people, old people, all in between people. Anyway, so about 3/4 of a mile from the knob, I hung back with one of the group, because she's new to backpacking, just getting it, so making sure she makes it to the top. Gave her a nickname a little bit, because she's making it a little bit at a time. Anyway, so there's an alternate route up that's supposed to be a little easier, and Grace went that way with Iceman and Karen, and we met them on the way down where the service road intersects the trail. And so Grace is continuing down the trail with Ultra, and we'll all meet up back at the bottom when actually they're going to head back to the hostel, and then Ultra is going to come back and get us when we get to the bottom and go from there. But anyway, so we're cruising on up. So Tanya and I have a date at the top for a selfie. We'll see you there.
This is hard.
Well, look guys, we made it. McAfee Knob, me and Tanya. Here we are.
Yeah.
All right, well, it's been a great weekend. We're all packed up. We're waiting on the rest of them to get back from Dragon's Tooth, which we didn't go on. We figured we had enough packing up to do and everything else that we would take a lazy morning and get it done. Wait for the rest of the group to get back so that we can say our goodbyes and head on down the road. But it's been great, and we have Ultra to thank for it. All right.